Hey there, DIY lovers and organization enthusiasts. I'm so happy to be sharing my passion for tidying with you today. What if I told you that a simple paper towel holder could be the secret to creating extra storage in your home? You heard that right. Whether you're dealing with a cramped kitchen, a messy workspace, or a cluttered bathroom, this hack will help you unlock hidden storage potential with just a few simple tricks. Just imagine transforming these humble helpers into delightful organizers, bringing a spark of joy to every corner of your home. In today's video, I'm going to show you creative ways to repurpose paper towel holders for storage, step-by-step DIY solutions for different rooms in your home, and budget-friendly and stylish organizing techniques. Let's dive in and transform this everyday item into a functional storage hero. Before we begin our tidying journey, let's take a moment to appreciate the humble yet essential paper towel holder. Often overlooked, this simple tool can bring so much more to our homes than just holding paper towels. It can be a statement piece, a functional necessity, or even a touch of elegance in our daily routines. But not all paper towel holders are created equal. Each one has its own unique features and benefits that cater to different needs and preferences. Just as we carefully consider the purpose of each item in our home, we must choose the right paper towel holder for the task at hand. It's about finding the perfect balance between form and function. Do you envision a freestanding holder, gracing your countertop with its presence? Its portability allows it to move effortlessly wherever it's needed. Or perhaps a wall-mounted companion ready to utilize often forgotten vertical space. This type of holder can save valuable counter space and keep your kitchen looking tidy. And let's not forget the understated elegance of an under-cabinet holder. Discreetly maximizing every inch of your precious cabinets, it keeps the paper towels within reach, yet out of sight. Each type of holder has its own unique personality and strengths. The key is to find one that aligns with your lifestyle and kitchen decor. The freestanding holder, with its charming portability, is always ready to move where it's needed most. It's perfect for those who love flexibility and convenience. The wall-mounted holder, a steadfast friend, stands tall, ready to embrace its role with unwavering support. It's ideal for those who prefer a fixed, reliable spot for their paper towels. And the under-cabinet holder, a master of disguise, blends seamlessly into its surroundings, maximizing space with quiet efficiency. It's the choice for those who value a clean, uncluttered look. As you browse the aisles or perhaps your own home for the perfect paper towel holder, remember to choose one that sparks joy. It should not only serve its purpose, but also bring a sense of satisfaction. Hold it in your hands, feel its weight, and envision how it will transform your space. Consider its design, material, and how it complements your kitchen. Does it bring a smile to your face? Does it make you feel more organized and in control of your space? Does it inspire you to create a more organized and joyful home? A well-chosen paper towel holder can be a small but significant step towards a more harmonious living space. If so, then you found your perfect match. Embrace it and let it add a touch of joy to your everyday life. The kitchen, the heart of the home, where culinary dreams take flight and delicious memories are made. It's the place where culinary creations come to life and where every meal tells a story. But even the most passionate chef needs a well-organized space to truly thrive. A clutter-free kitchen is a happy kitchen. Fear not, for our trusty paper towel holder is here to infuse joy and efficiency into our cooking routines. Let's begin with our spice rack, often a chaotic jumble of flavors and aromas. Imagine instead a symphony of perfectly aligned spice jars, easily accessible and visually appealing, a true feast for the eyes. Our paper towel holder, transformed into a spice rack organizer, makes this dream a reality. It's a simple yet effective solution. Simply attach it to the back of a cabinet door or inside a pantry and voila, instant organization. Your spices will thank you for their new organized home. No more searching for that elusive jar of cumin. Next, let's tackle the unruly duo of foil and plastic wrap, those kitchen staples that often become a tangled mess. These kitchen essentials, while indispensable, often become tangled and frustrating to use. But there's a solution. But fear not, our paper towel holder is here to restore order. It can be repurposed as a handy dispenser. By repurposing it as a dispenser, we can keep these wraps neatly contained and readily available. No more hassle. Simply slide the rolls onto the holder, and witness the transformation. It's a game changer for kitchen organization. No more wrestling with tangled messes, only smooth, effortless dispensing. Your kitchen will thank you. And finally, let's address those beloved mugs, often overflowing from cabinets and cluttering countertops. They deserve better. Our paper towel holder, with its innate ability to hang, becomes a charming mug rack, showcasing your collection with pride. It's both functional and decorative. Imagine your favorite mugs, each one sparking joy, displayed like works of art, a true testament to your personal style. Simply install the holder under a cabinet or shelf, and watch as your mugs find their perfect perch. Your kitchen will feel more organized and inviting. Chapter 3. Our bathrooms, often overlooked in our tidying journeys, deserve to be havens of peace and relaxation. Let's transform these spaces into serene retreats, where every item has its place and brings a sense of calm. Hair accessories, those tiny but essential items, often end up scattered across countertops and drawers. But fear not, our trusty paper towel holder is here to restore order. By repurposing it as a hair accessory organizer, we can keep these items neatly contained and easily accessible. Simply attach small hooks or clips to the holder, and voila! Your headbands, scrunchies and clips will have a designated home, bringing a sense of peace to your morning routine. Towels and washcloths, those fluffy necessities, can also benefit from the organizing power of a paper towel holder. Imagine, instead of a jumbled mess, a system where each towel has its place, ready to envelop you in warmth and comfort. By mounting a paper towel holder on the wall, we create a designated space for these items, freeing up valuable drawer and shelf space. Each towel, neatly rolled and displayed, becomes a testament to the joy of organization. Chapter 4. Our creative spaces, whether a dedicated craft room or a humble desk, should be havens of inspiration and productivity. A well-organized space can spark new ideas and keep us motivated, but clutter can quickly stifle our creative flow, leaving us feeling overwhelmed and uninspired. It's hard to find what we need when everything is in disarray. Fear not, for our versatile paper towel holder is here to ignite our imaginations and keep our materials organized. This simple tool can be a game changer in maintaining order. Ribbons and tape, those colorful and essential crafting supplies, often become tangled and unruly. They can turn into a frustrating mess if not properly stored, but with a simple transformation, our paper towel holder becomes a ribbon and tape dispenser, keeping these materials neatly contained and readily available. It's a quick and easy solution. Simply slide the spools onto the holder and witness the transformation. It's satisfying to see everything in its place. No more wrestling with tangled messes, only smooth, effortless dispensing, freeing your mind to focus on your creative endeavors. Your projects will flow more smoothly. Jewelry making, a beloved pastime for many, often results in a dazzling but disorganized array of beads, wires and tools. This chaos can hinder your creative process, but fear not, our trusty paper towel holder is here to bring order to this creative chaos. With a few modifications, it can become an essential part of your workspace. By adding small hooks or pegs, we can transform it into a jewelry and bracelet organizer, showcasing our creations with pride. It's both functional and beautiful. Each necklace, bracelet, and pair of earrings neatly displayed becomes a testament to the joy of creativity and organization. A well-organized space truly enhances the creative experience. Chapter 5. Our garages and laundry rooms, often relegated to utilitarian status, deserve a touch of tidying magic as well. Let's transform these spaces into functional and organized zones where every item has its place and brings a sense of calm efficiency. Spray bottles and cleaning supplies, those essential but often unruly helpers, can benefit greatly from the organizing power of a paper towel holder. Imagine, instead of a jumbled mess on a shelf, a system where each bottle hangs neatly, easily accessible and visually appealing. By mounting a paper towel holder on the wall, we create a designated space for these items, freeing up valuable shelf space and bringing a sense of order to our cleaning routines. Cables and tools, those necessary but often tangled foes, can also be tamed with the help of our trusty paper towel holder. Imagine, instead of a frustrating jumble of wires, a system where each cable is neatly coiled and hung, ready to be used without the hassle of untangling. By attaching small hooks or loops to the holder, we create a designated space for these items, bringing a sense of peace to our tech-filled lives. Outro, who knew a simple paper towel holder could be such a powerful storage solution? By embracing the principles of tidying and finding joy in the everyday, we've transformed these humble helpers into organizational heroes. Remember, true tidying is not about discarding everything you own, but about surrounding yourself with objects that spark joy and enhance your life. Let's recap the hacks we covered today. Kitchen hacks: spice rack, foil dispenser, mug holder, bathroom storage, hair accessories, towel storage, craft and desk organization, ribbon dispenser, jewelry stand, garage and laundry solutions, spray bottle rack, cable organizer. Now it's your turn. Try out these ideas and share your organized space with me. Tag me on social media. I can't wait to see how you transform your homes with these simple yet effective storage solutions. Remember, a tidy home is a happy home, and a happy home is a joy to live in. Before you go, don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more creative home hacks and DIY ideas, hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next DIY adventure. Bye for now.